In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn home pressure can potatoes into mashed potatoes. This video is part of my Potatoes 101 video series. In that series, you will find other videos on how to use your home canned pressure canned potatoes. You will also find tips for canning potatoes, as well as a video showing you how to pressure can potatoes. However, if you want to see how to pressure can potatoes, my article, which will be linked in the How to Can Pressure Potatoes video, is more updated than the video and it has some more clarifications. So I suggest the article. Okay, so this particular jar of home pressure can potatoes that you see is 14 months old. You can see the liquid is still clear, it is not starchy. So again, my video on tips for canning potatoes will tell you how I got this to be clear and nice looking. So the first thing we want to do to these home canned potatoes is to drain them. We want to remove the liquid that they were canned in and give them a good rinse. Now the liquid that they're canned in, that has some nutrients in it, so you can reserve it for soup making later or water a plant with it or give it to some animals or just drink it if you want. But I have personally found that if you try to make mashed potatoes using that liquid, it doesn't turn out very well. The potatoes, they don't get as fluffy, the taste is a little bit different, and they are more brown instead of white or a little bit of a creamy yellow with the butter. Drain the liquid and give them a rinse. Next, you'll want to dump them into a pot. Then add water to the pot of potatoes, just enough water to cover the potatoes. Next, you'll bring the potatoes to a boil, and once it starts to boil, turn it down to a simmer. You can add some salt if you want to this pot. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, maybe 15 if needed, just until the potatoes are soft. Next, you will strain these potatoes to remove the liquid, and then place the potatoes into a mixing bowl. You can use a handheld potato masher and just manually mash them, or you can use a hand electric mixer or a stand kitchen mixer to go ahead and turn them into mashed potatoes. Before you turn the mixer on, you can go ahead and add your butter and your milk and any seasoning, salt, pepper, chive, sour cream, garlic, any seasonings you would like to add. Go ahead and add it, and then just start mixing away. And just mix them to the consistency that you like. Some people like super smooth and creamy mashed potatoes. Some people like them kind of chunky. And some people kind of like them, creamy with a little bit of whole potato still. So just do it however you like it. And go ahead and use some extra milk or perhaps some rich chicken broth if you like to thin it up a little bit if it's not quite as creamy for you. Always taste as you go. And remember, you can always add more, but you can never take away. So, start off with small amounts. If it needs more liquid, more butter, more salt, pepper, or seasonings, whatever flavor you are going for, go ahead and add them in. Once you have them mixed to your consistency that you like and flavored like you like, they are ready to serve. And that is how simple it is to make mashed potatoes from home pressure can potatoes. Thanks for watching.